Good evening traders, welcome to another episode of Smart Money series. In this video we are going to discuss about how the Smart Money played their game today and how they are positioned themselves in the Indian markets today. Okay, let's get into the video, and before going to the video, this is the disclaimer. So stock market is a risky business, so whatever you do there is a high chance of making losses. So before taking any trading decisions or investment decisions, consult your financial advisor for better returns. Okay traders, now we will get into the video, and before going for the price action analysis, we should know the RBI monetary policy decision. So today 10 a.m. the RBI meeting was held, and the governor told that there is no change in the repo rate. So the repo rate was unchanged at 5.5%, and the FY26 GDP growth forecast was at 6.5%. It is a good healthy growing rate, and also another one is the headline inflation. It is just 2.1%, and it also decreased in the month of June. All the news were expected, and it is a positive news. Since there is no surprise for the market didn't react much today. So you see in intraday, Bank Nifty had a good volatility. So I will show you the charts. So yeah, this is where the policy rate was announced, and then it dipped to 250 points, and then Bank Nifty raised 360 points and it ended at the flat note of 50 points positive. But at the same time Nifty, so this is where the policy announcement was made at 10 a.m. Nifty raised 65 points, and then from there it fell 129 points, and it ended at the negative note, at the negative of 75 points. So the main dragger, the contributor for Nifty 50 today is most of the stocks, because only handful of 5-6 stocks ended in a positive note, but rest of the stocks were negative today, and the main dragger was IT stocks and financials. So these are the main draggers, and as well as pharma stocks. After this Trump tariff, every day pharma stocks are falling. So not only Nifty 50 struggled today, the overall market itself. If you look at the Nifty 500 stocks, so you can see more number of reds. Divis Lab fell 4.3% today. I think this is Zydus Life. It fell around 2.87%. So the total healthcare industry is very big trouble. Every pharma stock is falling, all because of Trump tariff. Okay, now we get into the picture. We will go into the analysis, smart money analysis. So there will be no fair value gap in 1 hour time frame today. So yesterday a fair value gap was formed, but this is not a real fair value gap which has the potential to reverse the price, because it doesn't have any liquidity sweep. So whenever there is a formation of fair value gap without liquidity sweep, we should not consider is at a good reversal point. So this is not a good reversal point. So as of now there will be no good reversal points. So this is the one with liquidity sweep, because it went above this day high, and also it went to the daily fair value gap. This was the fair value gap formed on 28th July. So previous months it went to previous month's fair value gap and then reversed from there. So this is the valid fair value gap. So after sweeping the previous month's liquidity, then it formed a good fair value gap, and the price didn't reach here properly, because whenever we see the reversal, it should come from minimum 50% or above the range. So if it is not reached the 50% level, we should assume that the smart money is not deployed or averaged their position yet. So we may see some kind of retracement towards this fair value gap to trap the buyers who shorted the market already, where maybe from these levels, or when market fell here. No, so on the day of 31st July, so it was also a previous month. So whenever market fell there, so many people thought that it is a short move. So the smart money is trying to short the market now, so this is the right time for us to enter in the market. Many people thought in the way, so they may entered into the position on the 31st July here. So after this, okay, now we will get into the price action of Nifty. So if we look at the price action of Nifty, there will be no action of smart money today, because there will be no formation of FVG in 1 hour time frame. I think in 15 minutes time frame also there will be no proper fair value gap. This is the bearish fair value gap after sweeping the previous day's liquidity. Wait a minute, I will show you the previous day low level. So whenever price sweeps the previous day low level, it should form a bullish fair value gap, not a bearish fair value gap. So after breaking this low, it formed a bearish fair value gap, and it also doesn't respect these levels, and also ended on a flat note. So there will be no activity of smart money today. And if you look at the overall picture, market is consolidating for 1 to 3 days within this Friday's candle. So this is the rare kind of consolidation you will ever see, because before this one consolidation, I think we have seen this kind of consolidation around here. It was happened around March of 25, so 5 months before, and after that now only it is happening. So here I think here also, if you see, the market breaks the day high, so you can't see I think this candle crossed the day high, and this is the inside candle. The next day itself the price fell, but this is the first time after 5 months price is consolidating within this one candle range for 3 days. So what it is indicating, smart money is planning for a very huge move, but there are 3 phases in the market: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So let me explain it in a simple way. So whenever market consolidates, it will be called as accumulation. The smart money will accumulate the price. They will buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. So they will create the positions, and then they will manipulate either in the downside or upside. If they did the manipulation on the downside, and we can expect the trend to be on the upside. Okay, this is manipulation, and this is the distribution. This is the real trending phase. But if the smart money manipulates and giving a fake breakout on the upside, we may expect a trend in a downside. This move is called as manipulation, and this is distribution. So now the smart money is just in consolidation phase as of now. So, and also if you see, for the past 3 days the day high liquidity was not taken out, but today the day low liquidity was taken out. So it may be a manipulative move, and we are seeing from the past few days this 24,460 level is a crucial support for Nifty. So when price touches this level, there is a high probability, 90% probability for a good reversal from here, and it may reverse to the weekly time frame fair value gap present at 25,252 levels. So if it touches here, we may expect the price to bounce back to 25,252 levels, which is a good nearly 800 points move. But if price needs to reverse from this level, it should not taken out this liquidity, because if market did a manipulation here, it has the higher chances of breaking these levels and move to further down, maybe towards this level like 23,935 levels. We can expect a solid fall of another 500 points. So the market may only reverse from this point. So if the manipulation is not happening in the upside, and if the manipulation happened in the downside by sweeping the liquidity present at 24,462 levels, if the market breaks down here, this move will be considered as a manipulative move, and we can expect a good distribution in the upside. So I think I am clear to you. So if the price take this liquidity and moves further down, we may expect a further down towards 23,935. If the price is not sweeping the liquidity and giving a breakout in the downside, that should be a manipulative move. There is a 90% chance that this breakout is a fake breakout, and any time from this fair value gap, it may give a good reversal by distributing the price in the upside. So this is how the price action may work in the future. If the liquidity is swept, we may expect a good downside move. If the liquidity is not swept and price is giving a breakout, then we can expect a good upside breakout. So this is how the smart money is positioned as of now. This analysis will vary if smart money changes their game in the upcoming sessions. Maybe tomorrow expiry, no, so they will do a lot of manipulation and they will create super duper manipulation, and maybe with the end of the day only we can know how the price action will behave and how it can turn out. As of now, this is the analysis, and there is a 90% probability that it may happen in the market also. So let's see how it works. I think we have covered Nifty, and also we will go to crypto now. So crypto is a very volatile instrument, guys. Bitcoin, if you are not opened an account in to trade cryptos, Delta Exchange is a good platform, and it is an unhackable platform. If you are worried about your security concerns, Delta Exchange is a very good platform to open an account and trade cryptos. If you are interested, you can open the account by clicking the link in the description box. I have mentioned it in the description box. And now there is no direction in the cryptos. So the price would either break this 1,16,165 on the upside, or here 1,12,000 on the downside to get a clear move. So either it should break here or break here to get a clear move. Now it is in consolidation zone, and there will be no price action and no trend until price breaks or give manipulation in either of the zone. As of now, there will be no opportunities, but if give a good breakout or good manipulation, that will create a very good opportunity to trade. So let's see how it turns out. And today, even though Nifty fell 75 points, the India VIX rised 2% today. This is a cause of concern. So whenever the option sellers got fear, they will increase the premiums. So whenever the VIX rises, we can know that they are in the fear. So today the market ended in red, 75 points down, and also we can see a good increase in VIX. So if the VIX increases tomorrow also, we can see a good downside move. That is the interpretation of price action in relation with the India VIX. So I think we have covered everything, guys, and we will wrap this video here. And if you like this video, like the video, and if you have any doubts, comment on it, and I will try to explain the doubts in the next video. Thank you.